Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can replace your malfunctioning 3.5 audio port. So the first thing that you need to do is get this PCB out of your computer case. So I had to get it off this particular spot. So the screws were available behind, so I needed to move my hard disks and my DVD drive to gain access to those screws. So that's the hardest part in any case. Depending on how your case is designed, you may be even needing to move your GPU also. So once that is done, you have the PCB out, and after that it's a pretty straightforward process. All you need to do is solder out these 5 pins with your solder gun. Keep pushing the pins one by one, like from this first pin, push it out, then second pin, third pin, fourth pin, and fifth pin. The reason why I suggest to do that way is because if you do it in a random process, there are chances that one of the pins might again come back inside and make the process even more cumbersome and messy. So if you do it in a sequence, it's much more easier. So I got this particular pin from my old PC that was lying around. So I did the same process and use the solder gun to remove this particular 3.5 port from here, from this old PCB, and then I resoldered it back into my current PC. So this is the old 3.5 port. As you can see, the pins are all come off and they were actually broken. One of the pin connectors were broken, and because of that one of the speakers were not working. So now if you see here, I've also done a little bit of alteration to this. The reason is because of this broken pin. While removing it, it actually damaged one of the contacts here. So what I had to do is figure out which pin from the PCB is going to this particular contact, and I soldered it using a small wire. So now both the right and the left speakers work pretty well. And since I've soldered it here in place, I don't need to worry about much because it just goes inside and stays there and doesn't wiggle around much. So there are less chances of this wire coming out. So the next thing that remains to be done is again putting it back into the slots and then putting the PC back together. Thanks for watching this show. Hope to see you next time.